Is the upstairs bathroom. Turn some lights on. Here is a bedroom. It has that little reading nook in it. Lots of windows. These are closets. And there's drawers. I think. Over here is another bedroom. This one has two balconies. And more closets. Fancy blue screen. That's a whole big window. Down here is mom and dad's, or the master bedroom, I should say. Crazy furniture in here right now. We have a balcony, or we would if this was the house. Here's one entrance to the bathroom. Big bathroom for mom and dad. Two sinks. Shower. And then another door that goes into the closet.